Hello, I'm Emma Sutton. I'm the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Student Experience and Education at UEA, and I'm here today to welcome you to our GradFair. After more than a year now of working and studying, we've become quite accustomed to doing our networking, communication, all in a virtual space. I'm pleased today to be able to welcome you to a virtual environment that allows you, UEA students and graduates, to do it all in one place. Today's event hosts a variety of employers from different sectors, each of whom has at least one live graduate vacancy. There's something for everybody here today, no matter what your discipline or the area of your study. I hope you take the opportunity today to talk to different organisations, explore all your options, and do try and attend one of our live skills workshops and get guidance from one of our careers advisors. Here's a quick demonstration as to how to navigate the fair today. I hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to the fair and welcome to our entrance foyer. From here you can navigate to all the key areas of the fair. To get back here at any time, just click Entrance Foyer on the top navigation bar. If you need them, find audio description and the ability to change font size and colour at the right of the screen. If you experience any tech issues, there is staff on hand in the technical help desk here to help you. The main exhibition hall is where employers are ready and waiting to talk to you. Here you can see all the employer booths. To find out more information about an employer, click into their booth. Here you'll find their description, videos and documents. You'll also find the Job Vacancy tab, where you can immediately apply for a job that interests you. Just click View Details and Apply for this job. If you would like to save resources from a booth, simply find the document and click the My Save Resources button. This will then be added to your personal file, which can be found here. Then click Email to have a copy sent to you. If you would like to talk to an employer, there are a number of options to choose from. By clicking the Chat tab, you'll immediately enter a group forum chat. Here you can ask general questions which will be seen by you and your peers. By clicking the Reserve a Chat Slot tab, you can request a time to have a private one-to-one conversation with the employer. This can be in the form of a message, video or audio chat, dependent on employer. If you reserve a chat slot, you can find your booking in the Chat Bookings tab, which will appear on your screen when you refresh your page, or through a link which will be sent to you by email. You will need to be in the chat room at the time of your booking for the employer to be able to connect with you. Use the UEA Careers Support Zone to connect with our careers advisors and find useful links which will help you today. Want to speak to a careers advisor? They're here for you to provide careers advice and guidance to help develop your professional skills, increase your confidence and prepare you for work. Booking a slot with a careers advisor is the same as booking in with an employer. Request a time slot to have a private one-to-one conversation here. Remember to check your Chat Bookings tab or email link and make sure you're ready on chat for our advisors to be able to connect with you. If you have a quick query for our front desk team, use the Help chat here. Other helpful documents can be found by clicking through these tabs, from how to write your CV to networking advice. We have live online workshops running across the whole day to guide you on employability and how to increase your skill set. Click on this screen to check out the schedule. If you would like to attend a workshop, return at the specific time and click Join. From here, either a video pop-up will appear, or you will be redirected to Blackboard where the live workshop will begin. If you think you need a little more help on how to speak to an employer or making the most of the fair, be sure to check out the prep video for all helpful hints and tips. Find it here. The fair will be available for 30 days after today for you to revisit whenever's best for you. But for now, get connecting and have a great fair.